Is your VIZIO TV screen flickering every time you connect your HDMI device? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix VIZIO TV flickering on HDMI, whether it's your gaming console, Fire Stick, or Blu-ray player. Stick around till the end. I'll share one hidden HDMI setting that solves this problem instantly. Step 1. Basic connection check. Let's begin with the most basic but surprisingly common cause of HDMI flicker: a loose or poor connection. Your HDMI cable is responsible for carrying both picture and sound from your device to your TV. Even a slightly loose connector can interrupt this data flow, leading to flickering, blackouts, or flashing on your VIZIO TV screen. Start by gently unplugging the HDMI cable from the back of your TV. Then, disconnect it from your source device, whether it's a streaming stick, console, or Blu-ray player. Now take a close look at both ends of the cable. If you notice any bent pins, dust, or corrosion, that could be your culprit. Step 2. Test different HDMI port. Now that we know your cable is firmly connected, let's move on to Step 2. Testing another HDMI port on your VIZIO TV. Most VIZIO TVs come with 2 to 4 HDMI ports, and over time, one of them can become faulty due to wear, static buildup, or internal pin damage. Start by noting which port you're currently using, for example, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Gently remove your cable from that port and plug it into a different one. Then, on your remote, press the input button and switch to the new HDMI source. Watch your screen carefully for a minute or two. If the flicker disappears, it means your previous HDMI port is likely damaged or unstable. Step 3. Use another HDMI cable. Alright, let's move on to Step 3. Testing your TV with a different HDMI cable. Believe it or not, around 60% of HDMI flicker issues come from poor quality or damaged cables. A single internal wire break or a low-speed cable can cause intermittent signal drops that appear as flickering or flashing. If you're using an older or generic cable, swap it with a newer high-speed HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 certified cable. These are designed to handle higher data rates, especially if your TV is 4K or HDR enabled. A low-quality cable might struggle with these signals, especially at higher refresh rates like 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Step 4. Power cycle your TV. Now it's time for one of the most powerful fixes, the power cycle reset. This process clears internal memory bugs and resets the HDMI handshake between your TV and connected devices. It's simple, safe, and often instantly fixes flickering screens. Start by turning your VIZIO TV off completely. Don't just put it on standby. Actually press the power button to shut it down. Next, unplug your TV's power cord directly from the wall socket. It's important to remove it entirely rather than switching off a surge protector or extension board. And that's it. Your VIZIO TV flicker problem should now be gone. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and comment below which method worked for you.